It's Saturday morning. A farmer's rung. He's lost a part for his tractor. I'm not sure what I'm looking for, but I'll have a go. So just having a couple of hours here. Cheeseman just gave me this chocolate bar. So I started eating it, and then he said, "Do you feel drunk yet?" And I says, "Why?" And he said, "Because it's brandy." It's a brandy flavour. I don't know, is that a tractor part? I'll show him and we'll see. Does that look like a tractor part? Just had a coin, halfpenny. Just had a little buckle. It's really windy, so I'm trying to keep you out the wind. I don't know what it is though. Lovely military button. That's a nice one. Clean up nice that. Right, Sunday morning. We've come out digging again. We're waiting for the farmer because John's supposed to be doing some drone footage. We've had to hide in the van because it's hailstoning. And we will get out soon. Right, my first signal is a greenie. It's a coin. Just had a little spindle whirl from this one here. Just in there. Little pistol ball. Lead pistol ball. That looks like a rim of a bowl. The sheep. Well, we've just had hailstone. Looks like we're going to get some more. Never mind. Here's the pheasants. They've seen me and they're already running off. I'm trying to detect by the massive tree. That is one big old tree, but the roots are too long. I need the sheep to come and eat them off. Wow, look what's in the hole. It's a big bottle top. Wow, it's almost complete. Ooh, nice find. Someone's been on the earth with a big keg. That was the top. It has a key somewhere, goes in. And they're all different apparently. Woohoo! Oh no, it's snowing. Sleet. Oh dear. Oh no. Look at the cloud. We must be crazy. I managed to get under this big tree, but sometimes hail causes thunder and lightning, so I hope it doesn't strike this tree anyway. Right, we're packing up, and today it's 5th of November, and here in England it's called Bonfire Night, where we have fireworks and bonfires. So on our way home we're finding somewhere, and we're going to let my dad's fireworks, he still had some in the shed, so we brought them to see if they still work. So see you soon. It's a bit dark in here, so we're just parked by the woods. I'm just having a brew, and then as soon as it's bonfire night we're going to have some giant sparklers. Woohoo! Big kids we are.
There's the sparkler girls here, look, they're getting lit here. With it being bonfire night. The video was supposed to finish ages ago, but there you go. Fucking
Come on, hands on head.
Happy bonfire night!
Hey! There's the sparkler girls.
Whee! Happy bonfire night!
And to the right.
These are lasting a long time, these, aren't they? Me hands in.
Yeah, hello.
They've been going on forever.
Oh, never leaves you.
Stop. Right, we found these fireworks in my dad's shed. They were for not last New Year, but New Year before, so we're not sure how they're going to go. But we're going to send these up for Dad. Bonfire night. A bit dark.
How to be easy. I think it's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh shit! John.
Get it here.
A bit. We're standing here with fireworks now all together. Where's it going?
Oh, not a
That's much better. I don't know if this is going to show up on the video or not. Right, I'll just quickly show you all the scrap I found on the Saturday. The farmer's got it, just to check through for any bits off his tractors and stuff. I've got them huge pieces of lead on the Sunday, bit of junk there. Don't know what that is, but it's kind of fancy, quite big. These look like bits of pot. That's like a Roman one, could be because it's in a Roman area. It's like a grey, I'm sure that's Roman. Could be a pot of Roman coins there somewhere. Woohoo! Little bits of scrap. Some pistol balls. They were from the Saturday field. Weird though. It's like a nail. Couple of coins. That's George V. Can't make anything out on that one. A military cap badge. Spindle wheel. That lead's very white, so that'll be very old. I found a watch winder for myself. It's quite nice. Military button. I've got a fibre pen and I clean these up. I've got quite a few. No, I think that's a button. It's like a bird or something. Not sure. I'll have to get my pencil on that as well. Little buttons, little buckle, and that big barrel tap. The size of it. I don't think it's got much missing. That's where the key would go in. They're all different shapes, so this would have been in the keg. So that's a nice find. So that's it for this weekend. So thanks for watching and commenting. Thanks for subscribing. And best wishes to everybody. Bye for now. Bye.